Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, it's not really the way I wanted to do this video, but here we go anyway. So what we have in front of us are two different versions of the Civivi Gojiro. Well, you have a Desert Warrior and you have a Desert Warrior sort of edition right here. These were actually freebies during Blade HQ's Black Friday, Cyber Monday type sale. They didn't get here in time. They didn't. So, I promised to do a video. They said, hey, we're going to send these. I promised to do a video. They didn't come in time. So now I'm doing a video. And the reason I'm going to do this video like this is because I'm going to straight out tell you these two knives are going to be this coming Sunday's surprise Sunday giveaway. Guess it won't be much of a surprise because you know what's coming. But maybe I'll throw something else in there for the surprise. So I'm telling you that right now because they're out of stock. You can't buy them right now. As a matter of fact, I don't even see this one on the site anymore. I used to see it and it said it was out of stock. Doesn't even say that anymore. So we're going to talk about them. I'm going to tell you what you can get with these two. And then you better comment on the video if you want a chance to win them. And I think the way I'm going to do it is the first one, tell me which one you want in your comment. Tell me which one you'd rather have. If I draw your name and it's already gone, well, you'll get the other one. That's pretty much the way I'm going to do it. So yeah, let's just do it like that. I usually don't announce these Sunday giveaways like this because then it's not a surprise. So it won't be a surprise. Anyway, back to it. You know what to do. Leave a comment if you want to win one of these. Anyway, so what do we got first? So we have the Gojiro Zero, the Desert Warrior Edition. You've got the green G10 handle. You've got the tan, desert tan blade. I guess that's what makes it the Desert Warrior. There you go. You got the Blade HQ logo on it because, well, it was a freebie. But you know what? This is a really cool knife, and I'm super bummed that they did not come in time for me to tell you about them in order for you to get it as a freebie. I mean, you had to spend a certain amount, but, it is what it is. They're regularly go for like 61 bucks, so that's not too bad. So what do you have? You have a G10 handle with nice texturing going on. Like I said, the Desert Tan D2 blade. It's got a really nice detent to it. Pops out there really good on the flipper. Snaps out there really nice on the thumb stud as well. So, dual sided pocket clip, either right hand or left hand carry, liner lock, and I can feel that clip a little bit up here. And we do have do we have the deep dive clip? No, I think, is this the deep dive or is it the extended? Civivi kind of changed their clips around a while back, and they used to dive down really quickly, and they were great. I do believe this is one of the newer style, I'll call it, where it doesn't dive down as quick. But you know what? I think I still have a link down in the description. You'll have to scroll down towards the bottom of the description, but I do have a link to those deep dive clips, if I remember correctly. But, overall, it's a really nice knife. It feels really good in hand, for sure. Let's give you a spec check. You've got let's get back there. How about there? About 6 3/4. You've got almost a 4-inch handle, which is going to give us just shy of a 3-inch blade. Cutting edges, or 2-inch blade, 3-inch blade, sorry. 2 3/4 on the cutting edge, and then your grip length is going to be coming in at about 3 1/4. I do get a full, with my hand size, I do get a full 4-finger grip on it, and it does feel very good in hand. Like I said, I'm sorry. I don't know what to tell you guys. These got here the day after the freebie thing ended. So 2.7 ounces or 76 grams. So I couldn't share with you the freebie edition. So that's why I'm telling you, I'm giving these away. If you missed out or you didn't get one because they were, they gave them all away, here's your opportunity. So now you've got the sort of Dessert Warrior. There's a lot of colors on this. Holy cow. Of course, you have their sprinkle scales. You got purple on the thumb studs and on the pivot. You got the blue blade. You got yellow liners. You got a blue clip. You got a blue body screw there. You've got a green body screw. I think the clip screws are, was that orange and purple? Red and purple? And then you got a purple standoff, a green standoff. There's just so many colors going on this thing. Do have some decent weight reduction going on. I mean, same knife, same, only obviously just a different scale and blade color on this. Well, let's see. Let's see if anything matters. All the extra colors. 76. 76. Okay, they're the same. So nothing changes. Still 66 or 60, 76, 78, whatever it said. I don't know what to say, guys. I am bummed that these did not get here in time for me to try to help you get a free knife. I forget how much you had to spend. It was their freebie. Like, they just had the K for Kids, that book that I showed everybody on SKL last Saturday. That's pretty cool. That is definitely going as a gift for my granddaughter. It's her first, it's not her first knife, but it's her first knife book. It's an introduction. So, but, I mean, the Gojiro, I really, really hope, because that's really all I see come up. I'll have to look again. I really hope they make this a little bit more readily available. Because this is the first time I've ever got my hands on a Gojiro, and I really like the size, the shape, everything. I like everything about this knife. And for 61 bucks, it's not too bad. That's pretty much in your Civivi price. That's in your Civivi price range, a little over 50 bucks. Like I said, I think there were 61. But like I said earlier, guys, at the beginning of this video, they're currently out of stock. I get it. I don't even see this one on the website anymore. This one shows it out of stock. You have a chance to win either one of these. Tell me which one you want. Tell me which one you'd rather have. Because I'm going to draw two names. I'm not going to sit there and draw names all day. I'm going to draw two names. Tell me which one you would rather have. The first winner, well, you're going to get the one you want. The second winner, you get the consolation prize of the other one if it wasn't your first choice. That's the way we're going to do it. Yeah. I like it. That's the way we're going to do it. So, what do you think, guys? Like I said, I hope they make this a little bit more readily available because I really like this size and shape of knife, for sure. So, thanks a lot, guys. I know it was kind of brief and there. I mean, I wish I could tell you could go buy it right now. You can't. So that's why I'm giving them away. And I'm telling you I'm giving them away so you get the opportunity to get your hands on one. That's it. Thanks a lot, guys. Greatly appreciate you. As always, have a wonderful rest of your day. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.